Hey guys, this is day 5 where I have started recording myself and uploading it onto the YouTube until I get fluent in English. Today I am also lacking of topic, so I am going to talk about cybersecurity, which I have given my 8 months of life and which I am interested in, and it has a very interesting topic to talk about. It is very interesting to talk about this topic. The cybersecurity is very rich and large field and has lots of things to learn. uh, it has lots of topic like web penetration testing, Android penetration testing, computer forensic, SOC analysis, networking, security, and red teaming. Today I am not going to talk about all the topic because it can then video can be very lengthy. uh, I'm going to talk about red teaming, which is a very most interesting topic in this video or in this field, which is also known as a hacking, officially a hacking, which we have seen in the Hollywood movies, where a person with a tens of computers with one keyboard breaks into the banking system and stole the billions of rupees, billions of dollars, whatever you say, rupees or dollar. Uh, this is the red teaming. Red teaming involves red teaming also involves physical interaction, where person where a hacker stuck at some point where he need someone else's to cover up for that, or to get something to broke into the system. So he goes physically to that bank or to the organization which he is hacking on. And with the social engineering, which is also a topic of cyber security, social engineering or communication skill, he breaks the human nature of the worker of company or employee and get the work done, then come back to the system and do what he do. This is a very large field, and the red teaming I talked about, where a person breaking into the banking systems, is not illegal. It's illegal if we are doing the consent of that bank. If the bank has given a consent to break into the system and find bugs in the system, this so it is all okay. And if you find a bug in the systems, you can get paid for that. You can get paid for that, and it is very good, very interesting, very it feels like you are a spy or an agent for a big uh, agencies in the world, like CIA, RAW. This is very good and interesting topic. If you if you have time, uh, if you have time and you are ready, you can give 5 to 6 months, then you can get into that field. You can, with these 5 to 6 months, you can learn basics and fundamentals of this. Then you can get lots of information, lots of things, because in the future technology is everything. So we should learn this: AI, hacking, cybersecurity, networking, web penetration testing, because everything is going to be on computer. With around this computer technology, robots are coming up, robotic. So this is a very good to learn. Okay, so let's end this video here. If someone is watching my video, please you can comment down the topic where on which we can talk about. So bye.